Hi, this is Jeff Meyer with HomeLotPackages.com. We're in front of one of our most recent projects. This gentleman came to me last summer looking for lots. He was going to buy a lot, hang on to it, and build in the future. Well, what we ended up doing, we ended up bundling everything together. I helped him everything from buying the lot to getting the architect, to getting the mortgage, and to the interviewing builders. And here we are 8 months later, and it's almost done, probably done another month and a half. If you guys are thinking about building, give us a call. I mean, there's a lot of land left close to the beach. We're a short walk to the beach. For under $400,000, you can't do that. Low density areas, give me a call. Anywhere from New Smyrna Beach, Daytona Beach, Flagler Beach, Palm Coast, all the way up to St. Augustine, we can help you out. Again, Jeff Meyer with HomeLotPackages.com.